Mulani Operators Training School, South Africa. Training courses TETA, CETA, Department of Labor accredited. First Aid Level 1-3 Basic to Advanced Firefighting SHEOMTRAC Representative Accident Incident Investigation Mines Health and Safety Forklift Training Overhead Crane Training TLB Front End Loader Grader Mines Health and Safety Act Rigging and Slinging Hazardous Handling. For a detailed list, click here. Accommodation Available. Newly built Corporate Accommodation Available. For more tell 0118241189 Chell 0731582436. Sample Health and Safety Medical Screening Full Medical Construction Medical Height Medical Drug Test. Only a lung function hearing tests can be done on and off site. Call us +277 31 58 24 36. For more information, contact us today. National number tel 0118241189 cell 060-419-1718. WhatsApp +27 73 1582 Email mulani operators@yahoo.com. Cellular